Oops. Uh-oh. Mmm, yummy, yummy. Go the spoon, buddy. I gotta have the spoon back. I can't. I can't get the spoon back. Give me the spoon so I can get some more cereal on it. Man, this is good, isn't it? Here, sorry. Is that the best ever? That's the best ever. Mmm, yum. Yummy, yummy. Oh, oh. Yum. Is that good? You gotta get it in your mouth. There's some more. There's some more. It's good that we have that good big bib on.
His little mouth is working like he's
Sucking
eating
a
out the bottle, yeah.
Yeah. Takes me a while to figure that out. Yum. Not very much, but I think you'd. Isn't that good? Yummy, yummy. Yum. Yum. Is that good? Is that the best you've ever had? Right there.
It's good, isn't it, Aiden?
Yeah.
It's good, isn't it?
It's the best ever. Where's my spoon? We're about out of cereal. Make some more. Yum. Is that delicious? Uh-oh, I missed it. Say more. I want more.
That's good, isn't it, Aiden?
Say more.
It's good, isn't it?
I want more.
That's good, isn't it? Yeah.
It's the best. I can whip up some more. You don't have to be a chef to mix this up. Snack, little pepper. Uh-oh. Pour too much in there, Aiden.
That's good, isn't it, Aiden?
Too much.
That's good, isn't it? It's good, isn't it? Yeah. That's good, isn't it? Yeah.
Want some more?